Have you heard the word about a very special bird? I'm talking about the OBP. Yes, little old me. Orange-bellied parrot is what the letters stand for. Lean in a little bit closer and I'll tell you more. I'm not much bigger than a budgerigar, and tiny little seeds are my favourite food by far. Speaking of far, I'll tell you about my epic flight. It's an unbelievable tale of wing-powered might. I don't mean to brag and boast, but in winter I fly from Tassie to the East Coast, then back again across the sea, I do not jest, to Melaleuca, where I build my nest. Melaleuca is my name, and it's where I was born. It's a beautiful place, especially at dawn. I have friends who were born in a place called Werribee. Hillsville too, so they tell me. There are now some more of us than there were before, and in time there'll be even more. Of that I'm sure. Because caring for us during our highs and lows are a wonderful bunch of people called conservation heroes.